Hello students, welcome to Python Pandas tutorial for beginners. Today we'll be creating Python Pandas series using sequence and modifying the indexes. So here in Jupyter we create a new file. We have opened a new file here in Jupyter. So first of all you must know about the series function of Python Pandas. Python Pandas is a library where series is a function which creates series in vertical format. You give any of the elements, it will print in vertical formats for your needs with indexes. So first of all you must import it using the syntax import pandas as pd, or you can use any other name pd, pf, p or anything. This is not mandatory. So first of all we must create the series using taking an variable a. So we use the function pd.series, and in the brackets we will write the elements that we need in square brackets. Like here I have 5 elements, 1 2 3 4 and 5. So let's print it and see what the result gets here. So after printing it will show you the result as 1 2 3 4 5 and indexes along with it 0 1 2 3 4 and data type of integer 64. As you know, every element has unique index for it. It can also be a string, character or any data type. So taking a step further, we shall create series and alter the pre-existing indexes. So we change the indexes like this 0 1 2 3 4, and we will change any another data type. So we will write in it comma index equal, and we will write the index by giving commas. For string you must use inverted commas. Like here I have given indexes as 6 7 8 9 8. So we will print day here the series. Oh, I have not put the indexes in square brackets. It is mandatory to put elements in square brackets. Now here you can see the indexes has been changed to 6 7 8 and 9 and 8, and data type still remains the same because it has no relation with elements or values. So taking one step more further, we must be creating a series with the help of other variables. Like here I take a variable named b. So in b I will be having some string data type. Let's take stt comma trt and another one we shall take like qwe, and we will take bnm. So we have created a string data type and another one for indexes. For indexes we shall be taking another variable named c. In c we will type the values for it, like here 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 7 8 and 444. Here you can see that I have taken 1 2 3 in string data type. You can use any data type as list. So here we will take them in list format, so we should change it in list format. Data is B and index is C. So here we will print the series A which has been created. Okay, you can see here the output for this by using another variables. So this is the tutorial for today. Keep learning and learn anywhere. Study tips and tricks. For next video, wait till some time. Thank you, students.